Hey fellow campers, it's Bill Lyon, and I can't believe it, but it's almost next week. Yeah, on July the 10th, 9 a.m. Central Time, that's a Saturday, I'm teaching a workshop. And you may be signed up and want to know more, or you may be trying to figure out whether you want to get up and come to a workshop on a Saturday, July 10th. And I hope you will, because it's called Leaving a Legacy. Because don't most of us, whether we're 17 or 97, want to do something like that? I think so. And we'll talk about it both from a financial standpoint and a non-financial standpoint. Oh, and we're going to have fun because I like to play games, and we're going to play a game. Here's what you need to know about that. I need you to bring, to play the game, 3 Post-it notes, 1 marker, 3 cups of any type. Coffee cup would work, wine glass would work, anything that'll hold stuff. And then 20 coins. They could be pennies, dimes, quarters, I don't care. They could be M&Ms, they could be poker chips, just 20 things that would fit in a cup. That's the props for the game. Bring that. We're going to think. We're going to have fun. We're actually going to think pretty deeply on some things. And I can't wait to be there in community with you. And if you want to sign up, do so. And I'll look forward to seeing you. I can't wait till next week. Take care.